Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Siliguri. It is located in West Bengal. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Wizrite. They are looking for Senior Client Relations Officer. Coming to the eligibility criteria, 5 to 15 years of experience in a client-facing role in a reputed organization. Candidates should have excellent communication skills and be fluent in English and Hindi, and any other languages known would be an added bonus. The roles and responsibilities will include operational understanding, managing, handling, and coordinating the entire services for their esteemed clients and deliver an exceptional experience. The candidates should be dedicated, smart worker with multitasking abilities and customer satisfaction oriented with an eye for attention to detail. The candidates should be willing to work in a 20 by 7 kind of work environment and should be flexible with shifts, and industry type is shared and reserved mobility, online or app ride booking platform. And coming to the educational qualifications, graduate and above only are eligible. Coming to the salary, 15,000 to 25,000 with additional incentives based on performance and completion of monthly targets. And these are the required qualities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for manager for underwriting. Coming to the job duties and the key responsibilities, implementation of credit policy and the continuous evaluation to ensure adherence to the policy and compliance with the authority metrics and at branches in the area assigned, credit appraisal for BL and doctor loans, files for the assigned location, keeping delinquency under control, compliance of policy and process, reporting of location metrics like login, approval, dispersal, rejection, deviation on monthly basis as per prescribed format, market research and feedback for new product launch, feedback on credit policy based on market conditions. These are the job duties and key responsibilities. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, chartered accountant or MBA finance with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience is required, and the candidate has worked with a reputed bank or financial institution in unsecured high ticket size loans. These are the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Courtyard by Marriott. They are looking for marketing and communications executive. Coming to the job summary, promote awareness of brand image internally and externally, use sales techniques that maximize revenue while maintaining existing guest loyalty to Marriott, communicate with potential owners via telephone to set up preview package sales or tours, encourage guests or callers to purchase for scheduled preview packages, sales or tours, explain details and requirements related to attending a sales representation to potential owners, verify that individuals meet eligibility requirements for preview package sales or tours prior to scheduling a tour for a Marriott Vacation Club property, and determine and give complimentaries to guests as gift for their patrons like rewards points, show tickets like that, and perform general office duties to support sales and marketing, and record and relay messages accurately, completely, and legibly. And this is a job summary. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, it is a job opening available in Dragon Media Labs. They are looking for content writer. Coming to the job responsibilities, create new content to assist marketing campaigns, work closely with marketing team members, optimize content using SEO best practices, writing blog articles and social media posts, and writing content for websites, researching topics based on trend and write on them, writing captions and researching hashtags for Instagram like that. These are the key responsibilities required. Coming to the qualifications, candidates with some experience regarding blog article writing will be preferred, must have a good grasp of English language and creative writing skills, and should be able to research content ideas and define their own projects. These are the qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Forest Technical Solutions. They are looking for assistant manager purchase and store. Coming to the experience required, that is 5 to 8 years of experience required, and job functions area is logistic or supply chain or warehouse or packaging or purchase or store. Coming to the skills required, those are purchase, documentation, store, negotiation, store manager or management, and salary range will be 3,25,000 to 4 lakhs per annum, and education will be BBA or BMS in management, BHM in hotel management is required. Coming to the desired skills and experience, sales, MIS, accounts, TAT, banking, supply chain, hotel, supply, logistics, packaging, warehouse management, negotiation, documentation, supply chain optimization, demand planning, supply management, third party logistics are required, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. They are looking for ARDM or senior ARDM, that is Agency Recruitment and Development Manager. Coming to the specific responsibilities, execution of sales strategy, increase market reach and penetration through market segmentation, seek new customers and increases sales, and responsible for recruitment and management of agents, identify, recruit and manage advisors from the respective region, train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products, monitor and review agents' performance, and help them achieve maximum business, meet customer on a regular basis for achieving standards, supervise and liaise with a self-help group or microfinance institution or NGOs, etc. These are the key responsibilities. And coming to the performance indicators, agent recruitment, agent productivity, agent activization, and product mix, business mix, and persistency required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Pradhan Bros Private Limited. They are looking for web designer. Coming to the desired skills and experiences, 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in web designing is required, and candidates should have strong knowledge in Photoshop, Dreamweaver, HTML, CSS, tableless div tags, JavaScript and jQuery are required, and HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, Photoshop, web designing, div Java, tags, less Dreamweaver, mobile design like that examples are required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Udyan T. They are looking for graphic designer, and experience will be required, a creative and experienced individual for the role of graphic designer at Udyan T. Coming to the skills required, proficient in using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, knowledge of video editing, using Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro is desirable. And coming to the job role, that is creating all sorts of digital assets for the brand, including but not limited to photo editing, background removal, newsletter designing, brochure designing, social and creatives, and other design work. These are the job roles and skills and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Applers. They are looking for full stack WordPress developer. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, PHP based website production, coding, deployment and optimization of ongoing projects, optimization and applications for speed and scalability, development of front-end and back-end web properties, working closely with their creative team to develop, implement, and maintain designs that fit their brand look and feel, and lightweight server-side maintenance like domains, DNS, redirects, or hosting. These are the key roles and responsibilities. Coming to the skills required, OOPS concepts must be clear, good understanding of PHP, jQuery, MySQL, HTML and CSS, strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, strong understanding of any PHP based CMS like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magento, Xcode, etc. or a framework, Laravel, Cake PHP like that, and third-party API integration, and finally ability to implement automated testing platforms and unit tests. These are the skills required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. At last, there is a job opening available in WizWrite. They are looking for senior tour manager. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, operational understanding, managing, handling and coordinating the entire tour for their esteemed clients, and make sure that they get an exceptional experience, and the candidates should be dedicated, smart worker with multitasking abilities and customer satisfaction oriented with an eye for attention to detail, and responsible for responding to guest mails and feedback as per the agreed tasks, and should have excellent email etiquette, and responsible for support day-to-day queries with the highest level of customer service via telephone and email. And these are the roles and responsibilities. And skills required, those are candidates should have an excellent communication skills and good command in English, and experience will be, and the applicants with 5 to 15 years of experience in travel management is required, and salary will be 15,000 to 25,000 per month plus incentives will be also given on performance, and also an completion of monthly targets. These are the skills required, experience and salary. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.